Hi, everyone. Welcome to my craft room. I am who I am. I am inspired by so many things, and sometimes the inspiration puts me in a spin of chaos like this. And sometimes in my chaos, I get frustrated. And at other times, I find inspiration in my chaos. I'm going to be cleaning the top of my desk and discovering things that are hidden in the piles. Are you like me? Some people look at me and think, oh, Bonnie, you got it all together. You're so organized. No, not all the time. But I am who I am. And I love lovely things. I like orderly things, but I love inspiration. And this room is my inspiration. So come along with me and see how I tackle this desk. And then I will show you the rest of my craft room, as a lot of people have said that you love that area of my house. So come on, join me in my chaos, and let's have some fun. Okay, so I basically have cleaned this up. And I know for some of you, you think, oh man, that is still not clean. But to me, it is. Because I try not to throw, as you see, I try not to throw things out. Because I never know what's going to inspire me with the things that might be garbage to somebody or junk, but it's inspiration for me. Here in the 3-tier, I am now working on Christmas cards. So I have some stamps that, I really want to try. Ribbon that works. And scraps. I'm not throwing out any scraps because I never know whether I want to stamp It's good paper. I may want to collage. I might want to, it might be just big enough for a verse to be stamped. So I do that. As you know, I love any kind of mixed media. And so here I've tried distressing, and sometimes I think it might look ugly, but if I stop and think about it and not throw it out, I may discover something that I can use. I leave all my glitters out, my stickles, my my ink pads, my crayons, my pens, my rulers, any of the bone folders. I have that there. There's my paper, and I've tried to bring some of the Christmas paper forward, but I do that. There's all my inks. I have added all my distress inks there, so they're separate from the other inks. And my paper. I have put all my glitters, my embossing inks, all there. And here's my Christmas cards I'm working on. And you can see I'm not somebody that can just repeat the same card. I'm inspired to do something different. I love watercolor. I love alcohol inks. I love vintage. So this is why I don't throw anything out, because I, in my chaos, will use it. Now don't look too deep, because you might be getting one of these cards, whoever's watching. Or if not, I send it with love. I try different styles, and you can see I use every bit that I have in this room. My sewing machine, I use the sewing machine a lot to go around edges of cards, so it's all ready to go. All my, I find these containers at thrift stores, and I label it. So I have embossing folders. I have my metal dies, and down there I have all my word stamps. I try to organize in labeling my stamps. Everything from Christmas, I label it. Sometimes it gets put in the wrong spot, but it's fun discovering. I have my watercolor brushes and watercolors that I put there that I use. And I use these jars. Okay. I love beautiful things. I love comfort, things that inspire me. Silly little drawers. I don't want to I used to do folk art, didn't want to throw that out. So I've used this. This used to be for tea. So what I do is I put goodies there for when the grandkids come, or if I need a break. Okay, let's go over to here. There's more little drawers with candies. You know what? That's all inspiration. Over here, I have this IKEA stand that's perfect. If you can see, I've got my Big Shot here, which I love, and it's out, so I can use it. I use it a lot. And I've bought a lot of these hangers that you might use different places, and I hang it off the side. My stapler, my X-Acto knife. Here I have my cutting scoreboards. I have my heat iron from my Cricut. Everything is here. It's all up here. My cards that I have ready made so that if I need, which I use them. Yes, I do, but they inspire me to remember what I've done before. If I make cards for people, I have a specific person in mind. I personalize that. And there, my baby picture, my husband's baby picture. Beautiful artwork that was given to me, and that in itself is inspiring. My hat, my Amish hat, just surrounding myself with things that I love. I love beautiful things. Lace, I may use that lace. Books, poetry, my journals I keep in there. Everything has a purpose in this room, and I've tried to label things so I know where things are. I have music, I have a computer. I am so blessed, I'm telling you, I am. I never thought I would have a room like this. But it's so nice so that when I am in chaos and I have to stop for whatever reason, I can close the door. So I hope, well, I guess I better show you one more thing. I don't know if you saw. I decided, because I thought it was pretty, found this material and decided to put it in front of my desk to hide things. So under there, I just lift this. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so my drawer's there, see? I have my vacuum. I have a heat gun. It kind of, you can't see all that. I have more drawers. This is all lace and distress papers that I've coffee dyed, and ribbons. So that kind of, it's pretty, which I love. I love pretty things. What can I say? You know what? I have 3 sons. Yes, they like lovely things, but you know what? It's different being a mom in a household of all men. In this room, I can really add a personal touch. So I hope that this inspires you a little bit just to enjoy your space. If you have a place to hide away, maybe you don't have a room. For the longest time, I was in the basement in a corner. But now I have this room. It's not a big room, but it's my room. So I hope you enjoyed this and take some inspiration. If you've got any questions, and I will be showing you maybe in the next couple of days some cards that I've done, getting ready to. I know it's early, but why not, right? Christmas is coming. So God bless, and we will see you again. I am who I am.